up, everybody? Welcome back. Today we are going to go through some peanut mobility on the wall. This is going to be really good for any of those back muscles, those little paraspinals. Get them loosened up, give them a little massage, give them a little love to help everything move a little bit better. It's really easy to do throughout the day. Just be mindful of how aggressive you are. If you beat the muscles up too much, can be too much for them. If they start to feel bruised, something like that, back off, give them time to heal. Don't go hard every day, don't go hard every time. Sometimes you need to go a little bit lighter, just go a little blood flow, just kind of get them to relax. But taking the peanut, spinous process, those little bumps on the spine are gonna go right in the center of the peanut. So little bumps of the spine are there. We're gonna go nice and easy onto the side. We're just gonna go up against the wall. I like the wall with this one better than the ground because you can fine tune it a little bit more. If you need a little more pressure, feet go out a little further. If you need a little less pressure, feet come in a little bit closer to you. And then all we're gonna do is just that little up and down, little side to side. If you want a little bit more on the right, a little bit more on the left, you can just add that little variation just to get exactly kind of into those areas that you need to get into to help loosen everything up, just get everything to feel a little bit better and get moving a little bit better. Nice, quick and easy. Should be around a minute, 2 minutes at the most. If you want to go into upper back and get everything else moving in there as well, that's going to be okay too. But it's going to be a really good exercise to help just calm down the back. This should be one of the initial phases. If you have any back injuries, this is going to be your go-to to help calm things down. If you like this video, make sure you like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Keep bringing you videos to keep you living an active and healthy life.